Want to find working DoorDash promo codes without wasting time on expired ones? In this video, I will guide you how to do that. First thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Here, you want to type DoorDash promo code and search for that. From the search results, you want to look at the top results. Now select any reliable website such as Coupon Follow. Now you want to tap on the code that looks good to you. Here tap on the copy option. Then you can tap on redeem at DoorDash or head over to the DoorDash app and then simply apply this code over there. Before you check out, paste the copied promo code in the promo box and apply it. Always double check that the discount has been applied before completing the order. If the code doesn't work, you want to return to this website and select a different one from the list. Or you can exit out of this website and then simply head over to another reliable website such as Retail Me Not and then simply copy a promo code from here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.